Welcome back. Goa Vision Document 2035 would be formed within 1.5 months. Members of the Golden Jubilee Development Council held a meeting with Chief Minister under the leadership of Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar on Thursday. The committee members discussed their draft report with the Chief Minister. The final report would be formed based on the suggestions given by some members in the meeting.
Members of Goa Golden Jubilee Development Council led by Dr. Raghunath Mashelkar held meeting with Chief Minister on the Goa Vision Document 2035 on Wednesday. The members of the council have made some suggestions during the meeting. The final report on Goa Vision Document 2035 would be formed considering the suggestions of the members within 1.5 months. Sources say that report on Goa Vision 2035 would be further placed before the people. A reporter from Panji Laukik Shilkar.
Omkar Mohanchari has gone missing since Wednesday after answering his GSET examination. His parents have filed missing complaint in Panji police station.
Omkar Mohanchari, resident of government quarters at Pato Panji, went missing after answering his GSET examination on Wednesday. His parents have filed missing complaint at Panji police station as he failed to return to his residence. His friends have uploaded his photo on social networking site Facebook for tracing him at the earliest. Sources say that Omkar had informed his parents that he would go for a movie along with his friends at Inox Multiplex after the GSET examination. Our reporter from Panji, Navdeep Agye.
Goa Forgiving Trust will hold kayaking display at the Kampal Creek waterfront on 13th May. This is the first initiative by the organization after the announcement of Kampal Creek Renewal and Revival Project.
After the announcement of the Kampal Creek Renewal and Revival Project a month ago, the Goa Forgiving Trust is all set to organize a kayaking display on the Kampal Creek waterfront on May 13th. Chairman of the Goa Forgiving Trust Armando Gonçalves informed us that the 13th of May, a Mother's Day, is chosen in dedication to the Mother Earth.
We are having a Mother's Day celebration on 13th of May. And for me personally, this particular project started as a dedication to my mother, who expired recently. But for all of us, it is a dedication to Mother Earth. So we are taking 13th of May as a dedication to Mother Earth. And on that day, there are a slew of initiatives, including kayak rides.
Gonçalves also disclosed that plans for NOMOZO, that is, No Motorized Zone, will be introduced on May 13th by Amchi Panji.
NOMOZO is going to be a concept where there's going to be no motorized vehicles allowed in Kampal, as well as in the DB Marg. That is on May 13 from 9 o'clock onwards. So that is a thing about trying to get pedestrians on the road.
Architect Brian Suarez and residents of Kampal have stressed on the desilting of the creek and restore to its natural state as soon as possible.
We now intend to carry out a detailed survey. The CCP is already going to be doing that. We also would assist in whatever way is possible. Architect Mangesh Prabhu Gaonkar also, who is a noted landscape architect, has already started assisting us also with this. And maybe in a couple of weeks we will probably start having something put together. In the meanwhile, this is the first initiative to recognize that something can be done with this creek.
Another thing is the creek should also be desilted so that the sea is actually connected to the sea. So the sea should flow in and the fish and the fauna, everything will grow back. And once the creek is alive, definitely it will be healthy for all of us, not only the fauna and the flora.
Our video journalist Prajot Pednekar with Rohan DeCosta.
Thane Janta Sahkari Bank would set up new online cash deposit machine that would help the customers to directly deposit cash through the machine to their accounts. The machine directly transfers the money on the account and gives transaction receipt to the customer. TJSP Bank want to take their business to 9,500 crores with their 83 branches in the current financial year.
Initially, we will be putting the machines in 4 branches in Thane, and once their performance is studied, then subsequently we will put them in the branches where there is more cash transactions. The machine which we are going to put, that is going to be an online machine, means the cash is checked online when the person deposits it in the machine. So person gets immediate receipt, and if there are some fake notes, they are identified by the machine and they are returned to the person as not acceptable notes.
CEO of TJSP Bank, Satish Uttekar, said that their bank has a strong base of principals focusing on customer services. He also said that they want to take their business to 9,500 crores in the current financial year.
The bank has a very strong base of principles. The principles are such that we always focus on customer needs as well as ensure that the fundamentals are not sacrificed, the principles are not sacrificed. Transparency is always maintained. For the last 40 years, the board has always ensured that these principles are followed. I think that is the basic strength of this organization, and we are confident that for coming years, this will continue to be the strong points for TJSB Bank. With our strong principles and transparency and the business model, we hope that we are confident we will be achieving 9,500 crores mark, nearing to 10,000 crores with 83 branches.
A video journalist Dinesh Karpe with Rohan DeCosta.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.